Hello, I have another stationery box that I ordered from an Instagram shop called Hippie Post. I'll link all the information below. But basically, I got to choose the theme. It's a custom box of brown and green and windows and florals. And here is the top of the box, or the inside of the box. I thought that was so pretty. And so I'll get right into it. The first thing I have here is, let's see, I think these are wax beads. I just love how it was done. It's like so pretty. And these are like dried flowers. So yeah, there's a whole bag of them, but they're wax beads that you can use to make wax stamps like these. Next thing is this. It looks like they're doilies, like paper doilies. I'll try to open this without, yeah, I don't think I can. Oh, here we go. Okay, so this box cost me $48. And I think $5 shipping and handling. I live in Indiana in the United States, and she's located in Ohio, so like literally 3 hours away. Okay, so I think these are like dried plants, and she put them like under some plastic. Just so cool. Like there's like, it's textured. Yeah, these are real plants, and then she put them under the I think plastic. Okay, so these are stickers, a bunch of florals and greens. She did the green and brown theme really well. Next are some tags. Oh, I love these. Here are some wax seals. These are in white, and it looks like there's different types of plants on each of these. Here are some like brown, like it looks like she stamps these on. Some text, windows, in this folder. Very nice. She designed that. More dried flowers, and this also looks like it's maybe a dried leaf. Okay, it looks like these are some die cuts of leaves. Here's some yarn. Here are some girl stickers. Very pretty. Here is like a small traveler notebook. I've been seeing these all over, so this is fascinating. I don't know if I'll actually use it or just like keep it as a charm. These papers are so small. Oh wow. Here are some washi tape samples. Here are brown paper. This is like a different shade of brown. I just love how she like designed everything. Okay, and this looks like they're different book pages. Yeah, different like vintage pages. So those are always nice to have. Okay, so yeah, this is her Instagram handle, hippie.post. And she opens the custom boxes like every couple of weeks or something. She does 2 boxes at a time. So I was lucky to get one. And these are her stickers, it looks like. The Charlotte collection flower stickers. There's garden and nature quotes, flower quote stickers, new beginnings quote stickers. Very nice. And this is the last thing, but basically I did say it was a Windows theme. And there's just a bunch of cutouts of different windows of just different colors. White, there's a cream color, gray, and like different types of windows as well. These are stamped. Oh, these are pretty. Okay, and so that's it. I'm pretty happy with this box. I can see myself using all of these in some way or another in my journaling.